I've completed the quilting, holding the sandwich together. I've gone as I planned in both directions in squares on the quilt, and I've started trimming it down to make it square at the edges. I've just got 2 more edges to cut, and then I need to remove the blue guidelines which I used to quilt it. I finished trimming my quilt. It is actually square now, which is lovely, and I'm going to start removing the soluble pen lines which I used to guide my quilting. So to do this, I've just got a sponge and a bowl of just cold water. I'm going to use as little as possible and just gently dab the lines, and they will disappear. The reason I do it like this rather than washing it is because if you use detergent or hot water on the soluble pen, it can actually cause it to stain. So this way I know it'll come out properly and there won't be any problems. So you can see the line has completely gone. It is a bit damp, but it'll be dry by tomorrow when I go and look for the border, the binding. I think I'm going to go for a solid colour binding, and hopefully I'll be able to get a nice sort of purple shade. I did toy with the idea of using the backing material as a binding, but I felt that it wasn't bold enough. So tomorrow I'm going to take the quilt to the fabric shop and choose a binding by laying it next to it and deciding which one I like the best. So this is the quilting part complete. I finished removing the marks from the quilt and it is square. It's a bit damp, but I'm going to hang it up overnight, and then in the morning I can go and choose the binding material. I'm quite happy with it so far, but we'll see, it should be even better with the binding on.